National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Itawamba County in northeast Mississippi, Lee County in northeast Mississippi, southeastern Pontotoc County in northeast Mississippi, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado near Troy or near Trace State Park, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Pontotoc, Tupelo, Verona, Tombigbee State Park and Trace State Park. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a storm shelter.